Okay, so the first term that we are going to see is the moisture content on wet basis. Wet solid को base लेके हमें define करना है what is the moisture content. So I can simply put it as kg of moisture upon kg of wet solid. Now wet solid is again composed of dry solid plus moisture. So I can split this again into kg of moisture upon kg of dry solid plus kg of moisture. I think this is very clear and easy to understand also. Total आपका जो dry solid का वजन है वो आपको पता है and what is the moisture in that you know that. If we represent all these things in form of notation, I can say simply 1 plus 1 upon x, where x is my moisture content and 1 is the weight of dry solid. If I want to find this in percentage, I can simply multiply this with 100 and this becomes moisture content in percentage. Now, यही चीज को moisture content if we want to find out in terms of dry solid, this same equation can simply replace by you need to remove this kg of moisture from the denominator. Now, the equation becomes kg of moisture upon kg of dry solid. So I can simply say for this it would be only x, because at the bottom it is just x upon dry solid is 1. And if you want to again find it in terms of percentage, you multiply this with 100. These are the two commonly used notations. एक बहुत ही ज़रूरी चीज़ जो हमें याद रखनी है is the difference between these two. If we want to keep the reference same, in that case we should always go for the dry moisture content, dry solid moisture content, क्योंकि the weight of the dry solid always remains same. जो dry solid है उसका वजन फिक्स रहेगा. So in that case you can always keep this numerator to be fixed. Moisture content change होते रहेगा but the denominator is same. So the reference is same. Whereas if you are considering the wet basis, numerator के साथ denominator भी change होते रहेगा, because the denominator also contains the moisture content because it is the wet solid.